Hey friends, Lori Robertson, independent Scentsy consultant here today. I am excited to share something with y'all. It's always fun when I see UPS or FedEx pull up because I know I have a new Scentsy package arriving. And as a consultant, that's usually something that I know that I've ordered, either for myself or for a customer. But what's really fun for me, even as a consultant, is getting our monthly Scentsy Whiff box. This is Scentsy's version of like a surprise box. So I wanted to come on today and show this to y'all. This is something you can get monthly. You can put it into a Scentsy Club description and it will automatically come every month, or you can just order it each month so there's no commitment like for the whole year. But let's check out what I got this month in my Scentsy Whiff box. All right. First of all, the box is just so cute. It comes like this. And if you need a gift for someone, these are $35. So it's just a really, no, I'm sorry, they're $30. It's about $35 to ship. So a great affordable gift, cheaper than sending flowers. Plus they're going to have something great that's going to last longer than flowers. So let's see what we got. All right. This Scentsy Whiff box, it says, take a look, and this is featuring a few products from our new fall and winter catalog. So it's got that gorgeous new warmer on the front. It's got one of our new diffusers and our beautiful new shape of fragrance flower. And then, of course, one of our signature Scentsy bars in a new scent, Dancing Sugar Plums. So this is just kind of, oh, that's cool. This is a wish list. So you can go through the catalog and create your wish list. Let's see. And they put me a catalog in here too. So that's great. If you're a customer and you want to get the new catalog and check out some new products, they're sending you a catalog and they're sending you a way to create your wish list. So y'all get this, make a wish list, and then let me know when you want to have a party and we can get you some of that for free and half price. So that's really cool. Everyone gets a catalog this month. All right, let's see what we got here. And the first thing that's just jumping right out at me is this huge bag of Scentsy Soak. I'm so excited to try this. Cozy Cardigan is a great fall and winter fragrance. I just absolutely love it. It makes you feel like you're wrapped up in a warm sweater. And for the first time this year, this is available in our body products. So I'm so excited to try this Cozy Cardigan Scentsy Soak, and I'll make some samples as well. So maybe you'll get a sample. But, ooh, I can't wait to open that. It says soft suede, blushing rose, and amber silk. So doesn't that sound amazing? Scentsy Soak in the box. By the way, I told you all these cost $30. You're going to have at least $30 worth of Scentsy products in here. Usually it's a lot more, plus samples. So let's see what else we have. We have some Scentsy Wax bars now. Here is our August scent of the month, aloe vera and ivy, and this is just really fresh. If you like aloe water and cucumber, you'll probably like this. If you like Amazon Rain, you'll probably like this. All of the fresh fragrances, this is gonna be a part of that family. Just really green and smells great. Let me know if you would like a sample of this and I can get one out to you. Aloe vera and ivy. What else do we have? We've got 3 more bars in here. Autumn Road Trip. I love Autumn Road Trip. I've already smelled the tester. That's how I know. Oh, that smells great. What I love about Autumn Road Trip is it smells like you're driving through a forest or by a bunch of trees on a nice, cool fall day. But you can also smell a little bit of fruitiness, like you're near an apple orchard or a pear orchard. Autumn Road Trip is a great fall fragrance. All right. We got 2 more bars here. Ooh, almond croissant. Almond croissant. Makes me hungry. Smells as good as you can imagine. You got a little bit of cinnamon. You got the bakery, like fresh bread, and then the nuttiness of the almond. It's an amazing fragrance, especially if you like the bakery fragrances. You're gonna love almond croissant. And then a fruitier one, we got apples and oats. And this, I've smelled this as well. This smells like a big bowl of warm oat. Well, if I can get it open. A big bowl of warm oatmeal with brown sugar and apples. Maybe a sprinkle of cinnamon. Just amazing. I can't wait for a little bit of cooler weather, and I may pretend like it's cool today and go ahead and warm some of this because it smells so good. All right, guys. So that's that was the soak, 4 bars of wax, and we also got a scent circle. Around the campfire smells really good. It's woodsy. Smells like you're sitting right around the campfire doing s'mores, telling ghost stories. Probably going to give this one to my husband. I think he would love this in his truck around the campfire. All right, so those are our full-size products. And then they also sent me some samples. I got some lemon verbena dish soap. So that is going to smell great. I have not tried that fragrance in our dish soap, so I can't wait to give it a shot. So let me put all this back so you can see what all I got this month. And if you order, your box could be a little different. You know, they kind of, while supplies last. So it's so fun to get it and just be surprised. That I love that. Oh, don't let me forget my samples. Put them in there too. And I'm going to show y'all what all I got in my whiff box. All right, just to recap, we got the Scentsy Soak. We got the 4 bars of wax. We got the new fall and winter catalog with a wish list. We got the Around the Campfire Scent Circle. And we got 2 big samples of dish soap. So y'all check out Whiff Box. Let me know if you need some help ordering. So fun to get a surprise each month and some great new products to try. I love it. All right, talk to y'all soon. Bye.